Hi, I'm Saba. If you're new in Photoshop, this trick will save your hour. Let's start. First, open your image on Photoshop. Go to File, Open, or shortcut is Ctrl O or Command O on the Mac. Now we have our photo here. Now you can select your image. I will use Quick Selection tool. Our background is locked. I have to double click and then I will go to Properties. Now I can click Remove Background. Okay. Photoshop automatically removes the background. If the edges are not perfect, you can select that mask from Select and smooth the edges by Refine Brush. And that's it. Clean background removed in seconds. Like and subscribe me for more tips. Comment yes if this helped you.